welcome back to my morning report charts appraisals on Tuesday the 31st of October with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen, and what we have seen is dollar yen breaking down. It's broken that uptrend that had been in place the last 2 weeks. It's broken below 13.25, which was the pivot line, or had become a pivot line. Yesterday closed below it. A little bit of a rebound today. I mean, this little move below 13.25 is corrective move and actually implies a little small top pattern. You can see on the hourly chart, a little small top pattern that implies about 100 ticks of correction, which would mean 12.25. But generally speaking, I'm still positive on dollar yen. I think positive within this range. I think it's going to sort of still find sort of the bulls happy to support the corrections. So I'd be looking to buy into this correction. And to be honest, already we've seen from 12.95, so about 30 pips of the 100 pip correction having been seen, and the market's bounced. But I think weakness will still be bought into. I'm not a massive. I'm not sort of going for a big correction. I still think that a correction back would be a chance to buy again. You look at these momentum indicators. Yes, they're near term, sort of a little bit of a deterioration. But RSI 56. I mean, generally in the last sort of phase, or in the recent phase, it's basically been coming back to find support around that 50 mark. So it's got a little bit of room to the downside potentially on both MACD lines and RSI. But as I said, I'd be buying into the weakness, and already we've seen a rebound back. Now, arguably, I suppose you'd say 13.25 is resistance, and it has been playing out that as resistance overnight, and you're back towards that level now. So there is sort of the aspect of this being a little bit of an unwinding move. And if the market starts to fall over on the hourly RSI around that 50 to 60 mark, it's basically back at 50 now, it could start to drop away again. But as I said, I'm sort of still fairly positive on dollar yen, and I'm sort of fairly constructive on the dollar positive story generally, and that would involve buying into dollar yen. So I'm still sort of going on a medium-term basis of sort of pressure on this overhead resistance at 1450, and I think weakness will be bought into. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.